Colors are silent messengers. What you project even before you speak can become your identity. Hey, what's up people? This is Bijan and welcome to my channel WhizMonk. People use colors to express their emotions. If they didn't, then everything in this world would be only one color. And Sir Isaac Newton noticed this clearly with a prism in his room. If the sun's light consisted of but one sort of rays, there would be but one color in the whole world. And I have already told you about the 7 colors from the light spectrum that affect us psychologically. If you haven't watched my previous video on how colors affect us psychologically, then please find the link in the description below and also here in the I button. I promise you it will be fascinating. Colors affect our perception, and most of the times it is about the not so obvious things. Like really, from the food we choose to eat in a restaurant, the bread we buy from a supermarket, or even the medicines. Bright colors for stimulants and cool colors for antidepressants. So next time when you buy medicines, observe this. Today I am going to whiz away your mind on how colors other than the ones in the light spectrum also affect us psychologically. And these colors are black, white, grey, pink and brown. And if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing, as this channel provides an insight to a buzzingly whizful life. And I always bring a special whizful tip in the end. So stay tuned. Color psychology is a tool. If you know how to play with it, you will know more about human behavior and also how brands tap into it for their benefit. Interesting? Let's get started. Black is magical and not black magic. Bold, sexy, classy, sophisticated and elegant. Just like the black dress or the classic black tuxedo, always sexy and classy. Bentley and Chanel both use black to represent their premium quality. Black lovers are independent, strong-willed people who like to be in control. They enjoy power and prestige, but are sensitive to share information. So you might find them a bit mysterious. Bond. James Bond never missed wearing a black suit. And if you are a man in black, you are definitely the mysterious agent material. Be careful of too much black, as it can evoke strong emotions. Black hides all flaws by absorbing light, and this makes it a low energy color. Milky white. Innocent, clean and pure. Hospitals use white color to create a sense of sterility. Just like white gets dirty easily and needs high maintenance, white lovers always strive for perfection. If you are a consistent white lover, you are fearless and confident. White color forms the base for every other color, like a clean slate. Most of the e-commerce websites use white as a base to stand out clearly. Even the coffee mugs in your favorite cafe are also white. White lovers have clarity, are adaptable and very good listeners. But some people use white as a mourning color. The white flag was universally identified as a truce symbol after several lives were lost. So your mourning white should only be a face. Grey is the meta inside our head. It is a blend of two dominant colors, black and white. Grey lovers tend to be indecisive because traits of neither parent color mix. They are introverts and afraid of commitment. This makes them detached and emotionless. But the interesting fact is, grey takes its character from its parent color it is closer to. The darker you prefer, the more dramatic and mysterious your nature will be. And the more you are closer to the lighter side, the more illuminating and mature you are. Learn from Apple, a brand who uses grey in their branding. Many of their laptops are grey or silver tone, since it's a neutral color. However, You will always see a balance between white, black and grey used by them, which helps maintain a clean, neutral look. Pink is not all girl, it's all about compassion. We all know the pink ribbon as a symbol of raising awareness and support for breast cancer. Pink lovers are naive and have delicate sensibilities. They are childlike. Barbie, the world-famous brand for dolls, has always had a pink logo. Baskin & Robbins and Dunkin' Donuts both use shades of pink to appear full of fun and energy. If pink is your favorite, you are friendly, approachable, and have unconditional love for your loved ones. But you also have the tendency to neglect yourself when you take care of others. So don't be overindulgent, my dear pink lovers. Rustic and earthy. Brown is a natural color. Hershey's, a favorite chocolate company, uses brown extensively to display the taste of its rich chocolate. Brown has a sense of stability, strength, and dependability. And UPS, a ground delivery service company, uses brown in its logo to show it. This color provides warmth and security. Brown lovers are trustworthy, down to earth, and also very practical in life. But if you are a deep brown lover, then you are too reserved and not looking for much attention in life. Just like the vast stretches of barren lands. Be careful. This can evoke a sense of sadness. And the much awaited, the wishful tip. My dear friends, learn from art therapy. Art therapy can help you choose colors that represent you more than what people want you to be. This practice will expose you to colors and help you understand what makes you more anxious and what makes you more happier. Art helps engage both sides of the brain to combine motion with thoughts. In fact, the same parts of the brain are stimulated when one looks at art as when one is in love. So, dare to be in love. Thank you, my dear friends, for joining me today on how 5 colors other than those in our light spectrum can also affect us psychologically. I hope you like this video for some reason or so. And if you have, don't forget to share this video. And also let me know by writing in the comment section what you think about it. And I'll be more than glad to interact with you all. So my dear friends, do like, share and subscribe to our channel WhizMonk. And most importantly, don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay tuned for more interesting tips and tricks for that buzzingly wishful life which I promised you. So until next week, adios amigos, signing off, your WhizMonk.